So now we did another page, history, and this is my one. Let's run. Hello friends, welcome back to ThoughtToSay channel. In this channel we are posting the funny videos, those things you can try in your house very easily. So now in this video we have 3 hex bolt, 2 hex screws and 16 flat washers. Okay, so on seeing the screen you might have thinking in your mind what I'm going to do with all these things, right? It's kind of a simple funny things you can try in your house. Okay, these are the things we have today. So first, what we can do with these things, right? Let's say if you have any tiny small boys or small kids in your house, you can make these things to will be making a very engaged to them. First, what I will do, let me take one Hex bolt and just place all the flat washers inside it. And you just invent your first toy. See? Just remove the all, just give only 2. And you can place 2 here, and at the end and then keep it here. Now you can hold this like this will go right. So it's simple one. You can just keep these 2 things and you can make it fit. And for single one, also this will rotate as a circle one. What I'll do, let me combine both. Let's do a little bit one thing. Take portion of things out here. Now let me keep portion of other things right here. Now try to hold engage. So now we did our roller. And this is a combined one. Let's run. See? So these things you can try in your house, guys, and post the comment how you fit in right in your kit. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.